Hey guys, so today for this video we're going to be looking at this Marvel comic book which shows us how to draw lots of stuff, and today we're going to look at eyes, noses, and mouths. So this page shows you eyes and noses, how to draw, and if you look at these eyes you'll notice that the shape is an oval. Now it shows you how to draw the eye from straight on and from the side, and also the mouth. So I'm going to draw the eye straight on using an oval, and from the side view the eye is still an oval, but it's actually like half an oval almost. It's almost cut in half. So on the top row it's straight on, and the bottom row it's from the side. So the larger you're drawing an eye, the more detail you're going to see. When you're drawing an eye, it's important to always get the oval shape first, and then usually on the outer side of the eye you can let the eyelash curl up just a little bit. You'll notice that I've drawn the eye with a little bit of an eyelid hanging down, which makes it look more natural. If you draw an eye without any eyelid, it's actually going to look a little unusual, because whenever a person's at rest, they have some bit of their eyelid covering their eye. So inside the oval shape of the eye, you should also add a circle for the iris, which is the colorful part of the eye that hangs inside the oval and is usually slightly covered by the eyelid. And usually the iris will not be touching the bottom outline of the eye unless the eye is looking downwards at the floor. So inside the iris circle is another smaller circle, which is the pupil, which should be a black color, but you may experiment with adding or leaving different sized white highlights inside the pupil to create different effects and expressions of a person looking with their eye. You can also move around the location of the iris and the pupil inside the oval shape of the eye to create different postures of an eye looking around. Now drawing the nose is really easy from the side because you only have to draw one nostril. When you're drawing the nose from the front, I like to think of the nose as like a tube with a big circle at the bottom and then two smaller circles on each side of the bigger circle at the bottom to form the nostrils. And then if you draw this with pencil or charcoal, you can erase it and just preserve the outline of those shapes, and you'll have a nice nose from the front. A lot of people, when they're drawing the mouth, they like to do the bottom lip as almost one parenthesis shape, and the top portion of the lip is going to have a little divot in the middle. You can create a lot of different expressions in the mouth just by playing around with the size of the lips and even how wide or how short you make the shape of the lips out to be. Also, when you're drawing the mouth or the lips from the side view, it's very similar to when you drew the eyes from the side view, in that almost the shape of the mouth or the lips is going to be cut in half, and you're only going to be seeing half of each side of the lips or the mouth from the side, right? So you're almost going to be cutting the shape in half again. I like to use a triangle sometimes when I'm drawing the face to find where the eyes and bottom of the nose will line up. Watch as I draw this again, because there really is like a perfect triangle between both eyes and the bottom of the nose. So So the point of the triangle would be pointing downward, and it would be touching the bottom of the nose, and it goes from one eye to the other down to the nose. And it's really an equilateral triangle, or what that means is a triangle with the same side length of distance on each side. So 3 sides of the triangle have the same length. So that's very helpful in knowing how far to keep the eyes apart from each other, and also where to put them on the face in relation to the nose. Hey, I'm so grateful for being able to share the art with you guys, even from the distance, and I hope you're all doing well, and I send you all my best, and I'm really excited for what you'll be able to accomplish here, not just with art, but with everything you're doing in your life right now. I know you guys are doing good. Take care. I'm proud of you guys.